In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add schema markup in WordPress with rank math. Schema markup helps search engines understand your content better, which can lead to rich results like star ratings, author info, and more eye-catching snippets in search. We'll keep this simple and use a plugin to handle the heavy lifting so you don't have to touch any code. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, click Plugins to open the plugin area. In the search field, type Rank Math. When you see the Rank Math SEO plugin appear, click Install and then click Activate. After activation, Rank Math will show up in your left panel, confirming it's ready to use in your site. Next, we're going to add schema to a specific post. Click Posts in the left menu, find the post you want to optimize, and click Edit to open it in the editor. At the top of the editor, look for the schema option. This is where Rank Math centralizes the structured data settings for each piece of content. Click Schema Generator to open the selection panel. From the list of schema types, choose Article. This is the most appropriate option for standard blog content, news posts, or editorial pieces. Choosing the correct type helps search engines match your content to the right features in search results. Now enter all the details that the article schema asks for. Provide a clear and concise headline that matches your post title. Add a short description that summarizes the content. Make sure the author name and the date are accurate, and select a relevant featured image if the field is available. These fields help search engines understand who wrote the piece, when it was published, and what it's about. Within the article options, choose the blog post option to indicate the specific subtype of article. This small distinction can improve relevance for blog-style content. When everything looks good, click Save for this post. This applies the schema to the post you're editing. Then click Save to finalize your changes. If you're still editing the content itself, don't forget to update or publish the post as you normally would, so everything goes live together. That's it. You've added schema markup to your WordPress post using Rank Math. Following this process on your key articles can enhance how they appear in search and help readers find the information they need more quickly. Repeat these steps for your other posts to keep your structured data consistent across your site.